in Ibadan. You know all this their big cinema location, or you know how they will build different things. You know that jagun what can say casting of that movie, yeah, in one of these Ibadan. You know that the cream you are using is really looking good on you, Ejawasi. No, you have to be taking my gold body liquid. You need to be taking it, then you'll be using Beef's Beauty Care. You have to be taking my gold body liquid, and then you'll be taking your cream, using your cream. You understand? You'll be good. I will send it. I'm going. It's my product. It's just liquid to enhance and to pop your skin, to bring out oil in your skin. You know everything age. It's all gone. You know, so it's going to pop it up. So the movie premiere, not the movie premiere. No. When you know what do they do when they say they were on movie sets? Thank you. They said that movie set, IyanAladuke took upon herself to be the one as a wife to Femi. She was the one cooking at the location. That movie set. She was the one doing the cooking. Ni Ibadan. She ain't got me. While she was there, she was taking care. That was her own contribution towards her husband's progress. Are you making sense? You know, she's a good cook. So she was in charge of the welfare department. Go and ask the people that were on that location. Tori, when Oban sorrow, I saw. If one is lying, I wouldn't say go and ask the people at that location. So you remember that Funke, in one of that movie, I don't know if it's that one, she was one of the wives of Bikini. She appeared in that movie, if you know the movie. So Funke came later to that location. For you people remember that already, Funke's name, Oti need dance ni oro Femi from the first wife, because we learned that Funke ni ìyàwó first wife would di mo enu. Do you understand? Agboni nínú ìtàn Femi. Are you getting me? Where Funke and Femi won Skolobi. Do you understand? Dola mi ò rò pé any of us are care because kò wa. Funke ó kàn lọ bí Femi o, Femi kàn lọ bí Funke o, wo bá bímọ fúnra wọn kò affect wa now, àbí affect wa kò kàn wa. We had ní agbone. The reason why the woman left Femi nìyẹn. You know this lady is supposed to be soju, but go and ask Funke. This lady, as the welfare department, took good care of Funke at that location. In fact, they had rapport. They communicate even on the phone. Go and ask. They had rapport. At that location, Funke, why I'm laying emphasis, and I'm explaining this, is that I see some of you, you are crying under my post, saying, why did I bring Funke into it? And I'll tell you the reason. Now, note that there's no problem in this whole thing, no, yet. At that location, in Gogon, Funke and lady, they had no personal issue. Even though the lady, she knows that stories has it, but Funke, but Kofi Wuwa. That is why you people are there as useless as you are. Because to have only solid home, that juna, ni konkoto koyin. Ni konkoto koyin. Tori o wegele sin, o se bi eni to de ku kan. O soro, o konkan. Bi en ti ori e o pe. Ni konkoto koyin. To ba pe o ni home, taye da. Ti wo na de fe ki awon omo e ki nkan da fún wọn. Ti wo na de wa, taye make sense. Ni dunu pe omo ẹlòmíì ó wà nínú situation tó wà. Àwa dẹ̀ ń bá wọn dá sí. Òǹkẹ́. Àwa ń bá wọn dá sí. Òǹkọ nǹkan tó ń kọ yẹn. Gbogbo yín tẹ̀ ń wá against bá ṣe ń fẹ́ bá wọn help wọn. Kẹ́yìn náà gbàdúrà pé kí irú ẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín. Nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí IyanAladuke k'Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín. So as I was saying, that is why and how they were she didn't kò gbé sójú kò fi hùwà, because it's none of her business. Remember, ìyálé tó ti lọ ló dárúkọ Funke, kò ṣe ojú tòun. And they had very good relationship. Now, it was at that location this incident happened. True. Femi Until tomorrow, that lady did not see who was inside the room with Femi. Femi, hell bent, did not allow her see who was in the room with him. Kò rí Funke pẹ̀lú Femi nínú hotel. Because people started spreading. Then, you know, when that happened, Funke ò ní sọ pé òun ò gbọ́ náà. Kò ní sọ pé I didn't hear. Kò ní sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. You understand? The all of them, especially, you know, the people that she's had relationship with. Nígbà tí Femi ti fi sílẹ̀ yẹn, and people are lying on her that Funke olórí, I would expect that Funke would, at least for once, at least nígbà tí wọ́n mú èpè fọ́ta àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀, ó ṣáà ní bó ṣe ṣe láti address ẹ̀. Did that kind of thing ever happen? When they say you are silent, nígbà tí wọ́n mú èpè fọ́mọ ẹ̀, ó ṣáà ní bó ṣe react. Now this girl, they lied on her. Àwọn ọmọ lẹ́yìn, àwọn ọmọ tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú Femi. That girl that they brought into the family, àwọn tó ń gbogbo wọn yẹn. Abi, what's that girl's name? That girl that is ọmọ lẹ́yìn Femi. Gbogbo wọn gbé narrative burúkú. True, there was an incident. Are you people getting me? But the lady did not see the person. Femi, prefer láti ruin the marriage than for her to see who was inside with Femi. Lady yẹn ò rí ẹni tí. I've already explained this thing to you people last year. She didn't see the person. So out of anger, the hotel, she told, I mean, she mentioned to, you know, she broke the hotel TV. Truth be told, she broke the hotel TV. That's in out of anger. That was the last. They even tried to reconcile the matter that day, to be sincere. They managed to reconcile the matter that day. I love your skin. Recommend your product, ma. Oh, you people wait now. This skin matter. You people, now they allow me talk this thing. Now they distract me and distract me. Please, let me. I told you my product. You will take my gold body liquid. It's on a daily basis. It will pop up your skin. Okay? I'll be using your lotion. I use Bliss lotion and soap. Do you understand? You'll be using your lotion, but you'll be taking this. It enhances, it helps your skin pop. I've told you. Thank God we don't have filter anymore on Facebook and on, we don't have on YouTube anymore, on Facebook. So you can see it clearly, okay? So what we do now is when it arrives, you can patronize me. All these products, I can, even the diet tea, everything, they are my products. They are all coming. Cleansing, diet, everything is coming. So by first week, in February, you're all going to be getting it. You can start to patronize me. It's my product. So it's for your skin, not cream. It's just like just the way what would you call when you take Nordicel, like a vitamin, just like that, nutrient, but it's for the skin. So you just be taking it. It's very good. It has pearl in it, and so it's my product, and then it's coming and it will pop up your skin. It will help your skin. Gold body liquid. Yes, you're right. So the lady broke the TV. Are you getting me? You know, O4 TV agreed. And they reconciled that issue, supplement, correct? So they reconciled that issue on that day. Are you getting me? And then they went back home after what they needed to do at the location. Wọ́n padà sílé. They went back home after the incident. But the lady did not see who was. But for a man to lodge a lady while your wife is around the premises is so wrong. Yes, I can send it to Canada. Don't worry. It's going everywhere. Aside, I'm going to, you know, I'm getting my shop ready in Nigeria. So Nigeria is going to take a while, but Ireland, you know, the shop is opening from next week by the grace of God. So there will be a studio for you to pick up, or it will be posted from my shop from next week. So don't worry. Let's leave all that. Let's not talk about my business now. Do you understand? Let's talk about this matter. Please, now, did you ship to them? Yes, it's going to all European countries, going to everywhere. Then I'm going to start thinking of Nigeria. Do you understand? I'm going to start thinking of Africa, Nigeria especially. Yeah. So don't worry. You know, so don't worry. No. It's not like glutathione. No, mine is not glutathione. No. It has nothing to do with glutathione. It's herb. It's for the skin. It's herb. Just done in the bottle, and that's it. You'll be sipping it. Just be drinking it daily. That's it. Everywhere. It's coming everywhere. Don't worry. Then the slimming, the cleansing, everything is coming everywhere. That also helps your cleansing tea and the diet tea. Everything helps. You can see I showed my video, my latest look. You know, you see everything very good. You know. So you see, Funke, there was no incidents. No, it's nothing that, you know, the lady, if as a matter of fact, ask the people that were there. They can't say who was inside. She cannot. It was in the midnight, this incident, this brouhaha happened. It was in the night. Lóru ni. Kò rí ẹni tó wà nínú yàrá pẹ̀lú Femi. But, of course, as a wife, Oshiwawu níjọ́ yẹn. But when we heard it, we heard that she broke television. But you know, you all heard it now. I'm sure many of you heard it. We heard that she broke television, she broke video, she broke car, she destroyed property, she shared Boba, which I heard many terrible things about her. And we're like, without even hearing or knowing who to talk to, we all passed our judgment. And we all said, I said, Funke again. When first wife, Funke said, no, Eleye again, Funke. But later on, I discovered that the incident has nothing to do with Funke, you know, except if it is Funke that is there, that nobody knows. You understand? Because as far as she and others are concerned, they don't know who is inside. Femi did everything to make sure that the wife did not see who was inside. Until tomorrow, they do not know who was inside with Femi. Ogba. Yahweh. Ori. But they reconciled the issue. Are you people getting me? They reconciled the issue from that location, from that spot, and they went home. They still stayed at home for some time. After 2 weeks or so, he then said he wanted to travel for location. You know how actors, actresses, they do that. They travel to location 1 month, everything. And from that day till 2 days ago, Femi didn't come back home. From that day till 2 days ago, Femi padà wá sílé. Now, think of when she realized that Femi wasn't coming back home from 2024. Think of it. So she went into depression. Are you getting me? Now, when the rumors started circulating, Funke, you know it calls for concern. Because personally I asked, so what did Funke do to clear? Because the thing did not, at least as far as everyone is concerned, as far as she's concerned, as far as people are concerned, she didn't see Funke with her husband. Yes, she was at the location, but the husband made sure already no panic join because make sure that was why she got transferred aggression and went to break hotel TV. Sure, Oromi, does it make sense to you people now? So I was thinking to myself, so why did Funke not go, not anything? I'm not saying she should be involved in the reconciliation or try to interfere, which of course, you know, I'm not interested in that aspect, but I expected her to do a little bit because people are lying that she attacked Femi and destroyed Femi's properties and blah, blah, blah because of Funke. She caught them in the hotel together. Incident in your Shelley. Then Funke on her own part didn't bother. Lati communicate. They used to communicate. They used to gossip. After that, you know, even before their meeting, they became kind of friendly during all this Dio's case and everything. Won't communicate now. Do you make sense? They at least what it did, she didn't look at it from what she heard. She took it that family friend. Femi also went to, in fact, Femi took permission, told her, what permission to movie Funke. Do you understand? So, and she was happy that Okwen Law Sibe Law perform, as in log act. So, calling her, Funke, to his own too, was to her a payback from Funke, because Femi too, all of perform ni film Funke mi, Femi acted very well. He was older brother to Funke in that movie. Mote like in the movie. The movie reminds me of Femi's acting. You know, Ninu Jelili. He was an older brother that did so stupidly, but very the part yes, fine. Oh, fit Femi go. If people remember, I think it's Jennifer. You know, Finding Me. It was Finding Me. That movie. So I felt even if Funke did not have the courage or the guts to come out to tell people, but you communicate with that lady. Do you make sense? You would at least communicate with her to make her know, this thing, no, I don't know anything about it. You understand? You educate her. You know, you people, you especially, and the moment Femi left home, all of you just blank the girl. It becomes suspicious. It becomes concerning. It becomes worrisome. It doesn't, you know. So that was why I put Funke and I charged her. But in tí wọ́n sọ nípa mọ́ narrative táwọn ọmọ ilé Femi tí wọ́n sent into the world, did it even happen at all? Ṣó tiẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ rárá? Did such a thing ever happen? Did that lady catch you with Femi? No. At least if that incident happened, do you understand? And Funke stopped communicating with her, it will make sense. But the fact that if Funke, knowing fully well, they are lying on this lady out there, they are putting my name, of course you would know. Let's not assume, Femi told her. Let's not assume. But at least, why did you then stop communicating with somebody that you have, at least you have a little bit of rapport with? At least to talk about, I can hear what they are saying about me. Oh, I know nothing. At least. So now that at least you just shut up, I won't mind the business. Just shut up, Adenuga. And for you to be Adenuga, I hope you are not from Ijebu Ode o. Torí ọmọ àlè Ijebu Ode ló máa jẹ́ o. Adenuga. Orúkọ àwọn Ijebu Ode people ni o. I hope so because I'm from there. I hope you are not Ijebu Ode o. Because ọmọ àlè Ijebu Ode ló máa jẹ́. Wo bàbá tó gbé fìlà sórí bí Ponticoy. So as I was saying before I was really interrupted. Okay? So it that concerned me that why? It that concerned me that why? At least we know other people will be happy. Like, àwọn Dayamusa, they will all be happy. Good for you. We understand those ones. If those ones do not intervene, it makes sense. Do you know? Because no, so if they are keeping malice with her, they don't care, or they are laughing, or they are ridiculing her, that one deserve way. But in the case of Funke, they already have rapport. Are you making sense? They already have rapport. So if she doesn't have to come out to the public, because this thing never happened. I think she should have communicated with IyanAladuke. Hence the reason I am creating that as awareness. That incident never happened. Wo fi ba ọmọ yẹn jẹ́ ni. Wo fi bàjẹ́ ni. Wo fi bàjẹ́. Reason why I tagged Funke nìyẹn. Because if at least the incident happened, I wouldn't tag her. It did not happen. Kò sí nǹkan tó jọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Femi left all this narrative in public. Àwọn èèyàn wá ń bú ọmọ yẹn. Àwọn èèyàn ń bá ọmọ yẹn jẹ́. Àwọn èèyàn ń bú, coupled with the fact that people are still abusing her because she go put mouth in Dayamusa matter. And nítorí ó ní òun gbèjà ọkọ ni o. Do you make sense? She's taking side with her husband though, over Sabi. Do you understand? Coupled with that fact, she still went to make friends with one of Femi's worker. Abi, àwọn ọmọ tó wọ́n kọ́ níṣẹ́. What do they call them? The girl Tong. They will go together. Tong, and because Tong too has a child who is autistic. And the girl is Omo school Femi. They will go together. How she penetrated her was she used to greet IyanAladuke like Kiyo towo ni o. Towo ni o. Towo. But in the end, that girl, they abused Obu. Because they used to go together to Jasmine house. And because they shared a lot in common, especially that girl has special needs child. She also has special needs child. So she thought she has found a sister. IyanAladuke is, if you people could hear her story, you will know. She married late. Ó ti ń dàgbà when she married. Her genotype is AS. So most of the time, when she finds, hopefully this one, she will discover that those people, maybe one or two AS, she feared having a sickle cell child. She was concerned about genotype. So when she met Femi was AA. And they clicked. She was an air hostess. And also already had her shop. It was even a hobby. It was side hustle. Her main job was, she was air attendant. I think we call it air hostess in Nigeria, Abi. So she married late. Okay, go to marry. And it was because she was being careful due to her genotype. In the end, that place that Femi tó lé ọmọ yẹn jáde, because I'm going to know Lorefe. I only decided to talk about the reason why I mentioned Funke. Kẹ́ máa wo nǹkan tó ń happen. Because the lies they have told about that girl, it is all this stone them and one more lẹ́yìn apprentice yẹn, àwọn ló ń send gbogbo vibes yẹn síta. Wallahi. They are the ones sending it out. They are happy. They are happy that there's an issue in that marriage. And of course, Femi's colleagues are also very happy because of Olodasi Oro Dayo Amusa àti Femi Ndayin. Any of them are not interested. Kofoko Daru is there. They don't care. Which that is okay. And in the beginning, when Femi wanted to marry this girl, the family didn't want her because she's from Ijebu. That was the foremost excuse, that she's from Ijebu. She's more or less an orphan. Her father died when she was young. She's more or less an orphan. Her father died when she was young. And on this case, ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ní ẹ̀pẹ́ for television yẹn lásán kó create scene which he has already apologized. Tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ti parí ẹ̀ tó ti padà sílé. Táwọn méjèèjì ti wà pọ̀ nulẹ̀ tó di pé òun lọ fún equation tí ò fi padà di èní tó wá fi lé wọn jáde nulẹ̀. The truth is that particular singular incident of Femi not pre-informing them, pé wá, I'm done. I'm dusted. I'm no more interested in you. Ẹni tó kù ní bàbá fún un tó ń ṣe bàbá ẹ̀ ó ti lọ dọ̀bálẹ̀ láti lọ bẹ̀ àwọn parent Femi. They made a caricature of. When I'm talking, like I said, I don't feel like talking too much. I don't feel like talking too much. I'm just hot because I'm only concerned about that child. That's the pain that I have in this whole matter. I'm concerned about that child. He can tell you people, Femi will tell you people he's not proud of the child. The lady have cried many times. The child is not less of a child. I have a nephew who is autistic. In fact, he's my best. I love him. Ṣé bó ṣe gbé ó ṣì wá flaunt àwọn ọmọ tí ó bí tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó ṣàṣì flaunt wọn kó nǹkan wọn lọ́lọ́ ìbò òun live fún wọn ni òun ṣe kinní kan. Ask him why he chose not to. Well, at least is he not the mother that is at fault? Ṣebí màmá ni ò fẹ́ fẹ́ mọ́. Okay, kí lọmọ wá ṣe? Tó mọ bá tiẹ̀ wá ṣe tó you can at least the shop one, let me tell you people, that shop IyanAladuke already was running a shop. Afterwards, the shop, the owner of it said, rent òun fẹ́ tà. So she needed to move to another location. And that location, when they talked about it, it was for sale. You know, Ibeye. And Femi had started doing very well. He had started doing very well. When they met, it was, to me, some people are crying that I said rising star. Wasn't he a rising star? Do you know what a rising star is? At least it was after they got married. That's when he now, to me, Oniwari, to what there is still my government, Ikwara. Torí kó tó di pé ṣe yẹn, rising star ni o. Me, I didn't, Femi to me was a rising star then. When rising star. I don't know what you people call star. If you call the father a star, then yes. But he was a rising star. Some of you are still crying. It goes to show that she rising star yẹn nìkan lè rí. Ẹ rí pé ó ṣèkà fún ọmọ yẹn tó wó nípò. Gene àwọn méjèèjì produce. So they now saw a place, that place. He then said, since they sold that place at 16 million, then 16 million. And they were able, he now said he would buy it for her. And he bought it. Now, after you abandon these people for a year, after you abandon these people for a year, You then decided that you want to what? You want to... I don't understand. You said they just came, uniformed men, and they are on a bank. I've forgotten the name of that bank now. The bank apparently partners with Femi. It's a bank that he partners with. Some of you are saying, oh, didn't I hear that he said he loaned money? When you loan money, at least you will tell your wife, what he loan no wo. And you people know, if Femi wants to be truthful, that movie was, his movie so far had been, it had been a success. Or with, except he lied to us. Because it's possible that they loan money. You understand? I never drink water. The water don't even finish. I drank water in that. One moment. Wait, let me just quickly get water. Sorry. Thank you, my darling Ungo. Ungo, baby. Dalu one them. Dalu. So they loaned that sorry. So, you know, they definitely, yeah, some of you are saying, oh, he loaned money, shaking it, didn't I? Even if he loaned money, won't you have tried to inform the people, I mean the wife, especially putting into consideration that child? And shall I lay emphasis on that child. That child. Now you wanted to eject her from the property, business space. Then you did it the same day you did the house one. You did the office space too. And you people think that it's okay that Femi be acting, I'm quiet, I'm not going to answer any rumor on the social media, I ain't going to talk to nobody, I'm doing well, hence it can just happen, it can just go on like that. No, put that now. They have begged the family. This IyanAladuke's family, they have begged Femi's family. Ẹni tó kù ní bàbá tàgbàzín. The man is 91 or so. Ó ti lọ dọ̀bálẹ̀. So, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Then, coupled with the fact that this lady, Tong, had said, ó ti sọ fún Femi pé àwọn ti lọ ṣògùn. Yeah. Who is this person? Somebody said somebody is streaming me on TikTok. She's streaming you live on TikTok. Who is this person? Everybody's gist. Streaming me live on TikTok. I'm on the phone. Yeah, I'm still doing live. There, go and sit down. Close the door. Yeah. So, so a true mother is who you are, Yeye. It's painful. I'm still here to understand why men will see a woman doing well from herself, then they will come and soil their track. Rebecca, I'm not even saying they shouldn't soil their track. If destiny has it for her, that is going to be her journey. Can we help it? No. But I will expect empathy for that child. That child don't do any. That I'm not going to. I'm sorry. That child. Because I know the trauma that you put a child that has autism and put that child through a change suddenly. You know, they have pattern, they have ways, they have the way they live. Then you suddenly just came, okay, to disrupt, or to disrupt money. You understand? The school and the way they are managing the child, the hospital the child is attending, the place they go, the treatment, everything that he's receiving. Automatically, all these things will change. Automatically, all these things will change. You people should stop talking about TikTok, please. Let me concentrate. Please. Stop talking about TikTok, please. Let me concentrate. I beg you, please. Stop talking about TikTok. I'm tired. You know I don't like that platform. You disturb me with TikTok. Anybody that tries it on Facebook or YouTube, your page is coming down. Now go there. TikTok. I don't give multiple kinini power. Please stop distracting me. They have their, there's a routine. If that child, it can affect that child simply waking up and not from his bed or from the way environment that he's used to, or to they disorganize it, destabilize, everything. It's coupled with the fact that the mother is being deserted, abandoned like a furniture, and she herself, she's depressed. Sorry. But even if you don't have empathy for that mother, which I can't help, it's destiny. That child, ìyẹn ló dùn mí when I wanted to be sure. Now, is it true Femi did that? They have been doing all these things to this woman. He has been doing all these things to her. That's why I asked him, what did this lady do to you? At least tell the world. Some of you are crying under the post. What do I mean? I'm a boy. What's your business? Let shape for Farayin. Let shape for delay. I've said it. The more a won't bank hotel be, only came for him, be, kind of like the mafia so. I won't go a for it dip in anyone. You are around. You won't battery delay a leg be, only come out cosita. A lot of you, the problem you are in today in your life is what you have done, and how you'll be cursing people. No reason. So that was why I said, because I noticed that the father, the mother, they don't like the lady. But that one is, there's nothing I can do about that. I still will say. But I expected that for people that are, how they behave, how they would think that because the child has autism, they think that child, of course, what in Romo, it can't amount to anything. It can't question kilo feda. That's the mistake you people make. That's the mistake you people make. Ori o man da fun wa. Ori man da. Ori o man da. If you bring a child into the world, and that child, when the child comes into your life is getting better. You should go and check it. Omo mi no ma wole ton wa. Taye eyan de ma lole. Omo mi wa. You don't know why God gifted you that child. So because the child is autistic, are you thinking that child can't amount to anything? That's why you can treat the child like that. That's why I kept laying emphasis. And some of you are saying otherwise. I'm telling you, I kept laying because he's not even proud of the child. He doesn't care about the child. So the lady, after being chased out from both, she needed to go and look for a place to put up. Is that fair? Ọmọ tá ń sọ iti ga tó báyìí náà, kò ń ṣe ọmọ kékeré bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ọmọ ti ga báyìí. Kò ń ṣe ọmọdé bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ rò ó. Is it fair? Then people were not suggesting they should raise money for her. They should start. Is that fair? How low can someone? And then, as I said, this place that you were evicted from, the house and the... Why? Why were you evicted from it? As in, why did they tell you to? The shop closed, police came. I should be going to Yawori. Are they not laws that guide all these things? With a bank, with no prior notice, would they come with 10, 15 armed men to come and evict one? Except you purposely did it. Okay, this house, I bought it for her, and I'm not going to use it. I would rather not pay the bank, and so that at least they take the place. I don't want the place, so she posted her today. Posted who? The boy or him? Him. Posted who? Pumilola, your English, I don't understand it. You said she posted her today. Oh, okay. Oh, baby. See him. Oh, nìyẹn. Orin wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Oh, nìyẹn. I don't want to know the child. They are playing. Emma bínú, mo kàn rẹ́rìn bí idiot. Yes, okay. I've just seen it. I'm just going to share it on my status. I will show you. Okay, since she has posted the boy, let me just show you our little boy. Let me show you our little boy. Okay. Since I posted it. Orin wà ńbẹ̀. Ẹ bí mo ṣe rẹ́rìn bí idiot. Okay, I should read comments on that post. Okay, let me do that. You see, and some people are even there abusing me. So that's very true. They said I'm lying about the child's condition. It is well. I don't want to show anything that would I've opened the phone. But yeah, what do you want? I don't. I shall. You want to shower? Let's just help your phone. I do. Oh yeah, tell daddy your part of your body. Oh yeah, what is this? Eyes. Eyes. This one, come. Eyes. This. Yeah. What is this? Me only showing. I'm not going to show it. I can't show it. I can't. Let me see. What's in your mouth? One conject. Are you going to say hello to grandma? Say hi, grandma. No, look at. Say hi, grandma. Hi. Say hello, grandma. Eyes on grandma. Say hi, grandma. Eyes. Look at the camera. Say hello, grandma. Hello, grandma. One. I can't show it. You know, it's a child. I can't. You people are mad. Ask her. I don't think she hides it now. I don't think. Maybe they were hiding it before, so I don't know. But I don't think she hides it. I can't show, I can't show. No. The one she shared on her page. Oh, yes. Okay, I can show you that one. I can show you the one she... he's got speech. But, you will know. If you know about autism, if you know much about it, I actually studied that as well. So if you even see, if he's talking, if he's not... But he has... It's not... It's verbal. It's not... No, non-verbal is... My nephew is non-verbal. But he has very few... Is able... if they keep working on him, there's hope. It can get better, but you know he has. Yeah, but you see, it's not about my son has speech problem. No, there's difference between having speech problem and there's difference between autistic. The boy is autistic. But that's not my major issue now. It's for us to understand that he needs Femi to do the needful. How low can it be when people now are asking that we should start contributing money? No, there's speech delay is different from autism. Yes, speech delay can happen when you are autistic. Yeah, there are some that are non-verbal. My nephew now is non-verbal. Why some they have words? Why some is very mild spectrum? There's mild, but his I wouldn't really know. But obviously, is not okay. It's probably in between. Yeah, you have done well, but if the man has a stony heart, what can someone like you do? Femi's family need to rally around the lady and help her with the son, but who knows what is his family dynamics? No. Did she say her son has autism or here? No. Go on. If you speak to her, you would hear. No, her son has. It's not hearsay. It's not hearsay. No, I can't. I would never do a thing like that. Yeah, it's not hearsay, and that's why I'm touched. Do you understand? I'm touched. I'm really touched. Because I would expect, because of that, Femi shouldn't have gone so hard on the mother. I am not saying don't leave the mother. It's their business. But because of that boy, and I'm standing on my word that Femi is mean. You are mean. And and until now, you have not done the needful. You have not communicated. Or he said was that he loaned money and he couldn't pay back, and the bank has come to... How can the bank just come like that? At least you must have gotten them to, repayment loan that they will not come and take the house, and also the house. and also the house. Definitely you want her out of the house. If you had done only the shop and then leave her in the house, I would say, okay. But the two places, then you did not make room or arrangements. No arrangement of, okay, no one bye. Do you get? The family of the girl. Kò ní ẹbí o, kò lẹ́bí, wo ṣe mọ́ bàbá wọn, kò ní ẹbí, kò ní, you know those kind of orphans that they don't have family. So Femi, Femi, all and all ni, ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ ni. Do you understand? So I'm not saying don't leave her. If you choose like any or not like what you tell your family is what they. Do you understand what you tell your family? At least when in the beginning, when they did not allow you marry the girl, she convince him. Now, what you tell your family is how they've agreed with him. They don't. The story has it that they don't like the girl lady, as in the parents, especially daddy. That they said she wanted to buy him. That's what Tone you know, through that Tone, she would hear all Femi's, you know, Tone is an apprentice under Femi. She would hear all the Femi's escapades. Many things. Confide in Tone Yegon, Darale Tone Yegon, so she opened up to that Tone where they won't go no around gone. So that Tone we yellow two boy from Femi. So I think based on that, Femi told his parents. Those ones now said that the lady wanted to buy. So they went to beg. The man toku ni baba fun, an elderly man, 90-something, all of the they made a caricature of the man. I'm not happy with that. You know, the same way we will talk about all these things. Like I said, the KG, no. He should check himself. Then, if you want to do this to this lady, why not make... So people now, they will now go and meet Bello, Adebayo, Kule Afot. Some people are telling me, open go for me. I said, no, I'm not doing it. I'm not opening any go for me. How can Femi go to Kanu, go to ṣiṣẹ́ fún ìjọba ní Kwara? Ó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún ìjọba ní Kwara. What? Made money, has money. Then we, tá bá wọn sùn, tá mọ gbà tí wọ́n fúnra wọn lóyún tí wọ́n bí ọmọ wọn. How they came to get everything. Àwa ni wá tún wá gbé ìṣòro wọn wá bá. Pé kí wọ́n tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dáwó. Ṣé ìyẹn làwa wá ṣe nílé ayé? Ẹni tó lọ́mọ, tó dẹ̀ lówó tó wà okay. Tí gbogbo yín dẹ̀ wò pé, and many of you women, that is good what he has done. And then now here we go day. Ibi la ma wà. I'm sure many people that are in the industry, they are shut up. Who is foiling Olubu Wabumi? Foiling what? Foiling what? Kí lẹ rí ṣe sí láti over a year. Foiling what? You people want to silence everybody. Foiling what? Olubumi, ẹ̀yin ìkà. Ẹ̀yin ìkà, oni jẹkújẹ. Foiling what? Foiling what? Kí la sọ? Foiling what? Foiling what? Kí la ti sọ nú ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí? Kí la sọ? Egbe babara wa wá máa disturb àwa tá wà nínú òyìnbó nígbà tẹ́ ń bára yín sùn gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí. Then when we are saying that important ṣe you're wrong, you will say we are foiling nígbà tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti rí pé àwa tá wà nínú òyìnbó yẹn àwa ò ní bùkátà àwa ò lẹ́bí ní Nàìjíríà táwa gbọ́dọ̀ help. Foiling what? Foiling what? That lady, all Femi siblings, báyìí ẹ fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ ni wọ́n ti block lady yẹn. Allegedly, Baba said they should block her. None of them have communicated. They blocked her. That lady. Not lately, not now. They all blocked her. Not now, months, they just want that lady. I want to one sorry, I'm foiling. They obìnrin yẹn wọ́n fẹ́ kó silent, kó akọ̀bá gbọ́ pé ọ̀tá ẹ̀ kú ni. Ẹ lè bá kó àwọn tẹ́ ń bá sùn láyà jẹ́ kí n ṣe bírò èmi báyìí. If tó bá yẹ pé irú èmi ni wà láìtàláì irú ìwọ Bùnmi yẹn tó wá sọ pé mò ń fún ẹ nìyẹn màá kọ́kọ́ make sure pé wọ́n fi irin gbígbóná tí wọ́n fi lórí náà màá ní kó tẹ̀bọnú díẹ̀ náà wàá kọ́kọ́ jó ìdí ẹ̀ dànù. They want her to be silent. You understand? It's been going since 2024. They want her not to talk. They don't want anybody to hear